So the new spring is in, shocks mounted, everything in here is buttoned up. The only thing left to do is tighten up the suspension A-arm. But first we're going to put in the fender liner. I got a request for fender liner install. So there's a hole here, a hole here, a hole here, and a hole here. And then we're going to lay the liner in there and screw it in. These are the stainless screws. They're 1/2 inch long and they are number 10s. And then it takes 4 washers. So here's the liner. Take your light out first. It just kind of fits in there like that. There's a groove right here that goes inside the fender. So we're going to start down on this end, lay it in there, and then pull it up. Okay? So it's inside the fender. Now all we have to do is put the 4 screws in, and we should be golden. The problem is going to be lining up the holes, but maybe not. I'm in. I'm not in. The problem's going to be lining up the holes. But we have a trick for that too. Today's episode, we're drinking Brazos Valley Killing Time Blonde Ale. Take your handy dandy poker and find your hole. It's not losing everything, man. Put all this back in. And then I can think as it goes farther up. I'll tell you what, let's do an easy one first. We'll do this one. We should be able to find that. Pretty simple. Oh yeah. Screwdriver. I had a screwdriver. Here's a screwdriver. Let's find this one. Here it is, right there. Right there. Here's the hole. one right here on the actual fender. Fender liner in. 4 screws. Pops in right here. Runs along the lip. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Stay well.